Yeah. That's all hail we're getting right now. Van's getting pelted. Pretty gnarly storm coming through right now. It was 75. Well, not 75. 70 yesterday. Gotta be careful. I already got chucked by one of these pellets. Pretty good sized hail chunks. Let up a little bit. The whole road's full of it. Pretty wild. Let's see if we get anything else.
Holy crap!
There's some more. Van's covered in hail. Looks like the windshield might be cracked a little bit. It might be. Lightning like a big dog. The road's full of water and hail balls. Look at all those hail balls. What do you think, Drew? Quarter size? Maybe a little bit smaller? Huh? They do look like a lot of airsoft pellets. It's cold. Real cold, too. It wasn't cold an hour ago. Lots of lightning, lots of thunder. What's that green light flying through there, Drew? You see it? See through my phone? Look at this green light. Look right there. What is that?
Dude, I see that. I don't know.
What the heck is that?